So yes, I'm just measuring this survey mark here. You might be able to see on the curb, which I'm going to call my benchmark.
Point stored.
And the beauty of this Leica GPS is that I don't have to worry too much about the bubble. That's this thing here, because it's tilt compensation. So I could read the thing out there if I like, but I'll just...
Point stored.
It's so fast.
Point stored. Point stored. Point stored.
Leica GPS is so fast and so accurate. Okay, just going to read a couple more survey marks on the other side. Like I said again, all the marks that I wanted to find here are gone. Brand new curb and gutter, unfortunately, means new curb and gutter but no survey mark. So again, if you're in the council and you happen to be planning to build a curb and gutter, could we please just check with your local surveyor? Here's a survey mark here that I need.
Point stored. Point stored. Point stored. Point stored.
There's another one just here somewhere. Oh, yep, now here's a classic example. The mark is just near this tyre, but that's no problem for the Leica GS18. I can just hold the mark on the pole on an angle.
Point stored. Point stored.
Because normally,
Point stored.
without the tilt compensation, I'd have to hold this pole using the bubble and nice and vertical. And here's the final mark today, another drill hole and wing on a curb.
Point stored. Point stored. Point stored. Point stored. Point stored.
Actually, there was one mark up here. One more mark. So if you're watching this far, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing to my channel, The Global Surveyor. Whether you're watching on TikTok or YouTube, I sincerely appreciate the support. So just make sure that you hit that like, maybe share, tell people that may be interested in this sort of content, and I'd really like to grow the channel as much as I can.
Point stored. Point stored. Point stored. Point stored.
So yeah, everyone, I'm the Global Surveyor from YouTube and TikTok. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time. Ta-da.